When you throw out large-size garbage, apply in advance by phone. Say your address, name, phone numbers, things to be delivered of, quantity and place to put out. After that, you determine the collection date, fee, and collection place. The items classified into this category is clothes and large machines. Put out 4 items of home appliance for recycling: TV, washing machine, air conditioner, and refrigerator. Take home appliance to the stores. It costs 3,000 yen to 5,000 yen. You need to pay the charges when you turn them into the stores. Buy large-sized garbage processing fee ticket at a convenience store, depending on the type of garbage, from 400 yen to 2,400 yen. Write the collection date and your name on the ticket, and pay the ticket to the garbage. To put out the garbage by 8 o'clock in the morning, the person in charge will collect it. Use a specified paid bag when you put out the garbage. If you use your own bags, your garbage will be left behind. Put the burnable garbage in a yellow bag. Put the recyclable garbage in a semi-transparent bag. Recyclable garbage are can, bottles, plastic. The price of the bags are as follows. You can buy paid bags in the supermarket, convenience store, drugstore in Kyoto City. By using paid garbage bags, garbage could be reduced to 3/4 than before. Due to the reduction of garbage, the number of clean centers could be reduced from 5 facilities to 3. The money paid for the bags is mainly used for recycling the amount of garbage, recycling the garbage, promoting measures for building beautiful towns and streets, and against global warming. Please do not put garbage on the evening of the collection day. Please put it out to the place decided by 8 o'clock in the morning on the collection day. With a single collection, weigh the bag to a degree that it can be held in one hand, and let it be about 2 bags in general. Next, I will explain the garbage collection date. In Kyoto, the collection date of each type of garbage is indicated on the yellow signboard. I will explain the specific collection date as an example of Kitaku Hasecho. First of all, burning garbage is twice a week, Tuesdays and Fridays. Can, bottle, and plastic bottles are once a week on Wednesdays. Plastic containers and packaging is made once a week on Thursdays. Small metals are once a month on the fourth Wednesday. Since the collection date differs depending on the city, town, village, please check with the web. Please make sure to issue the specified type of garbage on the specified day of the week. If it is issued in addition to a specified day, it will not be collected and will be left unattended. Abandoned garbage is cluttered around and becomes a tremendous inconvenience to the surrounding area. Understand how to dispose garbage and the day of the week well, and let's keep it in order. If waste are not separated, recycles won't function, so it makes bad effect to environment. It causes clutters by birds, bad smellings, and trouble with neighborhood if we don't separate waste by day. Let's throw away trash in proper way and make a comfortable life.